I don't feel like I belong here. The chaos and the rush makes me sick. Everybody busy with their own thing. Cold. The poor air quality here makes it hard to breathe. Always on a rush. Trying to survive in this big city. The noise here is hard. No wonder I want to escape. But here, things are different. I was never this close to nature. This place calms me down. Away from the urban noises. With the long-awaited peace. Breathing in the fresh air. This really is a paradise to me. However, nature aren't always on your side. But the sceneries after is worth all of it. From a very young age, I had the fascination of exploring the world. A world that contains not only the skyscrapers, but also the forests, deserts, mountains, and the ocean. Here, I learned to appreciate the little things. Understand the hard-won nature of what I have in the city. I learned to be grateful for what I have. Like a warmth of a hug, cooked food, fresh water right from the tap, or even a hot shower. Time. It felt like it's slower here. You know, back in the city, everyone was in a rush. Here, I can calm down, relax, and really get to understand myself. I become happier. I guess that's the charm of nature, which has made countless people yearn for it. After all, I chose to be here because I feel free.